Wait lang, wait lang. Ayan, ayan. Ayan, 29 na, 29 na.
Okay,
Team
30
Red.
seconds.
Team Red, tak muna kayo habang wala pa si Ras, ha? Ayan, ayan na.
Hello, Ross. Welcome, guys. Good luck.
Magmimid. Magmimid muna ako saglit, guys.
We flow with kindness.
Tap yung iba, tap.
Okay.
Flowers never fade. We flow with kindness. Heart like morning dew.
Walang mic si Ras.
Damn.
Tak na ako dito, guys.
Heal.
Spamming.
Must not hesitate.
Kabayo, kabayo. Flaming meteor.
Boundless as a plume.
Tumayo ka muna sa bulwark. Away from the bulwark, guys. Away, away.
Spring never ends.
Mid.
Meron akong big sack, guys, Big sack, big sack, big sack.
No. Mid wipe.
We flow with
Mid
kindness.
getting full.
Hello, dinig ba ako?
Ay,
Hello,
oo,
dinig ba ako?
Oo.
Kaking mo.
Back muna, back.
Sorry,
back,
nilito
back,
ko.
back, saglit. Okay lang. Back, please. Back lang. Back lang, saglit.
Wait lang, hindi nakaayos yung ano ko. Tulang ko.
Lakas ng guild na to,
Okay, go. Nasaan na kayo? Nasaan yung blue team?
Dito sa
With kindness.
mid tower.
Okay, going mid. Sorry. Tara.
Red team, tap kayo, tap.
Boundless as a plume.
Walang tao sa mid.
Right in top, no?
Heart like morning dew.
Oh, they're going back to the mid.
Yeah. They know
Focus
that
stop.
I'm here.
Blue team will distract the mid, no?
Ang tagal naman mag-ano yung sa akin, mag-load.
Gagi. Matay ako nga. Nagpunta sila sa nuts.
Ang tagal mag-load sa akin.
Joy never dies.
Okay, pupunta sa mid. Ganda ko. Wait. Kagising ko lang, gagi. Pagod kasi, galing kaming outing.
Ay, nag-outing kayo.
Oo.
Team Red, sama-sama muna tayo, taas.
Top muna
Tapos-
tayo, guys. Ang hirap sabihin. Ang hirap sa mid. Can we go wipe?
Tama ko.
Mayroon pa tayong ano? Tara. Salamat ka dito. Meron na ako. Nagano na ako.
Flowers never fade.
Tara. Yan. They're hating, guys. Go.
Nakuha na yung push natin.
Boundless as a plume.
Bilis.
Lang.
We flow with kindness.
Team Red, balik, back sa base. Back sa base, back sa base. Sorry, tap muna, tap. Boss.
Solid yung mga tank na to.
Rush, mag-back muna kayo.
Flowers never
Kaya sa
fade.
3.
Boundless as a
O
flower.
tara. We defend the blue tree guys. Back. Grabe. Ang daming tank dito. Di ako naka... Go lang. Go back guys. Go back mo yan. Ayun kahit sisi.
Healer.
Hindi kami maka-out kanina.
We flow with kindness. Heart like morning dew.
Tara, we defend the tree guys.
Batsina yung red team. Back to base, guys. Back to base muna.
Wala
Defend,
sila
defend.
dito. Tara, let's go. Let's get the top bulwark again guys.
Sige,
Ay,
yung blue.
hindi, nagsibalikan sila.
Defend muna tayo, guys, ha. Tapos, ang tagal mag-load nung sa akin, ha. Bakit kaya?
Wala tayong healer, Kyle. So yung iba, nandito kami sa top guys, yung mga blue team.
Grabe, ang tagal mag-load nung sa akin, ha. What happened? Team Red, ano muna tayo, guys?
Go,
Red.
wipe.
Okay,
Nawala kayo.
okay.
Defend wipe.
Oo.
Si. Try na natin ko yan. Aray,
Oo nga, ang tagal mag-respond.
Let me see.
Yung loading ko, ang tagal mag-load. Pareso na lang.
Spring never ends.
grabe tong mga tank na to.
Heart like morning dew.
Gato pala sa James Day.
Ang lala.
Ang tagal mag-load, oh. Gago.
Why my loading is so long? I don't know why.
Yeah, me too. I thought it's just me.
Nah, it's bugging. What the hell?
From where are this guild? What guild is this?
Depende na kaya
Loading
muna
so
tayo sa
long.
3.
Yung ano? Doon sa blue. Intercept the blue tree. Guys. Huwag yung pansinin yung mga yan. Rooftop. Doon kayo sa rooftop.
Oo, nasa rooftop ako. Tara. Ano, dito na ba kayo? Pinupuntahan na, kahit nasa taas ako, bubong ko, grabe. Kalma.
Malapit na kami. Dito na ako sa taas ng ano, ng PvP area. Oh. Asan na kayo?
Dito din ako,
Okay,
nandito
okay.
lang din ako sa taas. Ano, tara na? Tara.
Tara. Ito na, tara.
Tara. Sige, isa ka dyan. Easy. Go.
What's wrong with me?
Joy never dies.
Sige, nakakapatay ako. Go. O yun lang, namatay din ako.
Eh, tuloy lang, tuloy lang. Ang lakas nila.
Do.
Solid.
We glow with kindness.
Hindi ako nakagalaw doon. Gulang. Yeah,
Okay
they
lang yan,
are
guys.
too strong. Those tanks, they are solid, guys. The tanks that they have are
Ilan ang
solid.
healer natin? Ilan ang healer natin?
Yeah. Those tanks are too annoying.
Heart like morning dew.
Come on, let's go back. Let's go back. Ay, ano half time?
They need to fix the loading respawn.
Yeah, it's too long. Can someone record this? We will report it.
Yeah.
I'm still here. I cannot even watch the halftime. My screen still loading.
Talaga ba? You guys have issue with loading? Mine
Hmm.
is okay.
You're okay,
Yeah.
Ross?
Yeah, mine is okay. It's loading. It's loading good. Just the normal loading one. Oh yeah, there's guineas. It's okay to her. I just die a lot. Yeah,
Mm.
loading the
Uh,
Tyler. Okay,
Risen,
so
do you use gear up?
No, no, I don't.
Oh,
I'm not
Oh,
using gear up too. Come on, let's defend the city.
maybe next game we
Yoo-hoo!
reload.
That tree is already there. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Guys. It's
This
already
is theirs, but yeah, let's still try to get defended. But yeah, you know what will gonna happen here.
Joy never dies.
We're here now. I'm with Twilight. Where are the others?
We glow
we
with
got
go, go.
stuck here in the middle.
Okay, I'm dead.
life is beyond price.
Naka-relentless advance pa. Oh.
Let me
Kailan
reload
yan?
ko.